Good evening, sir. Myself, Mata Sri Sai, and I'm from first year of BTech, second sem, CSC branch D section. Now I'm going to give the presentation on the topic of Lorentz field or internal field. Lorentz or internal field. This presentation discusses the concept of Lorentz and internal field theories, which theories crucial in understanding electromagnetism and relatively in physics. Lorentz transformation. Definition and importance. The Lorentz transformation mathematically sorry describes how measurements of time and space change for observers in relative motion, foundational for the theory of relatives. Length contraction. Objects in motion appear shorter in the direction of motion. When observed from a stationary frame, this phenomena is crucial in high speed physics scenarios. Time dilation. As per Lorentz transformations, time appears to move slower in a moving frame relative to a stationary observer, leading to significant implications at high speeds. Simultaneity. Events that are simultaneous in one reference frame may not be simultaneous in another, highlighting the relativity of time in different inertial frame. Internal field concepts. Definition of internal field. Internal field refers to forces and influence within a material significant for material science and condensed matter physics. Electromagnetic internal fields. The behavior of charges and currents within materials leading to phenomena like polarization and magnetization. Influence on materials. Internal field affect properties like conductivity, magnetic response, and thermal characteristics. Field equations. Governing equations like Maxwell's equation can be adapted for internal field under external influences. Applications of Lorentz concepts. Relativistic physics. Understanding particle behavior at high velocities, including cosmic rays and potential applications in high energy physics experiments. GPS technology. Lorentz transformations are crucial for the accurate functioning of GPS system, accounting for relative motions between satellites and receivers. Astrophysics. The interpretation of astrophysical phenomena requires Lorentz to transform to analyze the behavior of light and particle originating from celestial bodies. Modern electronics. Insight from Lorentz transformations help design electronics that operate at relativistic speeds, affecting signal integrity and processing speeds. Internal field applications. Material designs. Engineers usually use internal field principles to create materials with desired properties, essential in various industries, including aerospace and electronics. Superconductivity. Understanding internal fields helps in exploring superconductors as they exhibit unique magnetic behavior at low temperatures. Nanotechnology. Internal field interactions at the nanoscale can result in novel properties crucial for advancements in medicine and electronics. Polymers and composites. The study of internal field aids in the development and improvement of polymers and composite materials, enhancing their performance in various applications. Challenges in Lorentz theory. Conceptual difficulties. Grasping the implications of Lorentz transformations can be challenging, often requiring a shift in classical conceptualizations of space and time. Experimental validation. Consistency validating Lorentz prediction through experiments, especially at relativistic speeds, present significant technical challenges. Quantum mechanics integration. Combining Lorentz principle with quantum mechanics leads to complex theoretical challenges, especially regarding time and causality. Challenges in internal field theories. Computational complexity, modeling internal fields in materials. Materials often requires complex numerical methods, making accurate prediction intensively. Scale variability. The nature of internal field can drastically change depending on the scale of observation, complicating the analysis in practical applications. Material anisotropy. Many materials exhibit directional dependence in their internal fields, complicating their characterization and utilization in design. Future directions in Lorentz research. Test of Lorentz symmetry. Ongoing experiments including those involving atomic clocks, seek to further validate or challenging existing Lorentz symmetric principles. Relativity and quantum gravity. New theories aim to unify general relativity and quantum mechanics, testing the limits of Lorentz. Tran- Testing the limits of Lorentz transformations in extreme conditions. Cosmology. Investigating how Lorentz transformation apply on cosmologic scales may lead to deeper insights into the universe structure and evolution. Future directions in internal field research. Advanced materials. Continued research into internal fields can lead to the development of a new materials with the superior properties for consumer electronics and renewable energy. Multi-scale modeling. Improved modeling techniques are being developed to better understand an interaction of internal fields across different scales, enhancing material designs. Biomaterials. Exploring internal fields in biological systems can aid in advancement in biocompatible materials and drug delivery system. Reference in electrodynamics. Einstein from we can learn those topics that are introduced and elaborated by Einstein, Maxwell, and other scientists. Thank you, sir, for listening to my presentation and giving me this opportunity. Have a good day.